What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Three things to watch for Shiba Inu right now as Shiba Inu coin holders kind of on edge, and that goes for all altcoin holders right now. But this is totally normal, guys. Bitcoin taking a drop right now down to 66,900. We're still at the bottom of the upper range for Bitcoin. This is just testing some of our local lows here. So far, we're fine, right? Now, there are some concerns in terms of Bitcoin shorts from hedge funds. There's been a lot of those being presented. However, that doesn't tell the whole story, right? Right now, we're still sitting in a good spot, but it does open up the door for a lot of opportunities to accumulate your favorite altcoins. Maybe it's Ethereum, BNB, or Solana, or Dogecoin, Cardano, SHIB right now down here to the 2211 level. Across the board, we've got opportunities. And the big question is, what do you see the most value in? If we take a look at some of the things that are down the most, Notcoin is up here down pretty significantly. Quant is down all the way to 84 bucks. That is a low price for Quant, almost under $1 billion market cap again. Gala's way down. We've got Filecoin dialing back quite a bit. And of course, our metaverse plays are down. SHIB's down about 7% in the last week to a $13 billion market cap. In this video, though, I wanted to highlight some of the key metrics we're watching, all right? And these are metrics we're not only watching this week, but really in general, okay? So the three metrics we're going to kind of highlight and talk about in this video are burn rate, Shibarium daily transaction account, and whale adoption trends. These are three things that are very crucial to watch in terms of getting the whole picture of what's happening behind the scenes here with SHIB. All right, so go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe down below if you have not already. Definitely helps us out. Now, as of yesterday, SHIB's burn rate was down 74% in the last 24 hours. The amount burned yesterday is insufficient to positively impact the price of SHIB. Now, we know on this front we're waiting for the automated burn mechanism. This is going to be crucial because it will go as Shibarium goes. Automated burns, it adds an added incentive for users of the SHIB ecosystem to utilize Shibarium. I think without this right now, we're kind of hamstrung in terms of how much SHIB we can burn because it all has to happen pretty much organically, right? There are a few other ways you can burn SHIB here and there, but again, not significant enough to really make an impact. We need to start burning billions and then quickly trillions of SHIB to really have an impact here, and we're just not there yet, okay? Now, do I think it'll never get there? No, but I am getting a little bit antsy in terms of the automated burn mechanism. We need that in place in order to burn a ton of Shiba Inu. Now, SHIB burns did gain momentum early hours today. You could see we spiked back up, but again, it's a daily burn of around 8 million tokens worth about $175. Not significant, okay? Now, another thing to watch is Shibarium's daily transaction count. It has plunged significantly. Latest data suggests Shibarium adoption rate has continued to slip to lower levels right now. A lot of people are chasing other horses, not really transacting as much in the SHIB ecosystem. This will flip and change, and when it does, we need the burn mechanism in place. Shibarium's total transaction count stood at 8,700 and some change on June 5th, but now we're back down below 4,500. Also, whales' interest in SHIB has plunged by 41%. So you may be asking, Zach, these are a lot of negative things right now. You're not having a lot of good things to say. Well, you look at the last 7 days, we've come down pretty significantly. Last month, we're on a downtrend. In the yearly, we're on a downtrend, kind of going down here, maybe even going to test some of these 2-1 levels. We're on the bottom side, okay? We're on the bottom side of some of these support lines. So to me, we're watching if these support lines hold. It could be a really good opportunity to basically make some plays on your favorite altcoins. Maybe it's SHIB in this case if we bounce off some of these local support lines like we see here. You know, we've been really choppy ever since we came back down, from that 4.4 level. We came back down, revisited into the mid threes, and then we had a couple little fake outs until we've really been choppy since, middle of April for really the better half of 2 months now. it's been pretty boring. But we call this the accumulation phase. We call this the space where we can accumulate some of our favorite projects. Now, one of these projects that has gained a lot of attention within the SHIB community is Shiba Inu, still sitting at $194 million market cap. Rose all the way up yesterday, guys, to almost a $260 million market cap on a nice, healthy pullback right now, retracing, getting close back up to 200 million. This could be one you want to look at for sure. I do think it still has some legs upwards. And if we look around the SHIB ecosystem, by the way, this is not an official SHIB token, but a lot of SHIB people are pouring into it because of the support from Satoshi Kusama. Now, Bone is at a very interesting point too at 55 cents, another key support line. Absolutely loving Bone at these levels. Same goes for Leash, 385 bucks. If we take a look at Leash and the chart here, long support line here for Leash right around this level. We've been trending sideways for a really long time. We're coming back down and retesting some of these, so could be a good opportunity to open up the checkbook, if you will, if you want to go and double down on some of your more high conviction plays. It takes some balls to do it, you know, but if you have conviction, that's what it's all about right now. A potential reversal in the SHIB price. Let's talk about this. These metrics are definitely, you know, not great metrics to look at right now in terms of, you know, burn rates, Shibarium transactions, and whale activity. However, new investors could see this as an opportunity to acquire SHIB at a discount price, potentially prompting a renewal of interest among whales, because whales will come back into the fold, right? Meanwhile, top crypto exchanges, including Coinbase and Robinhood, have been shuffling huge amounts of SHIB tokens in the past 24 hours. These two trading platforms moved 9.6 trillion SHIB in one day, marking a 1.62% of Shiba Inu's circulating supply. So they are shifting some money around here right now with SHIB. And that is kind of where we are in the grand scheme of things as it relates to SHIB, as it relates to the overall market. Altcoins are getting down to buy levels. There's no doubt about it, especially if you have high conviction. And SHIB is definitely in that zone right now. Again, sitting here at the 2214 level. Now, before we get up on out of here, I do want to tell you about Margex. Margex is the best copy trading platform, leverage trading platform out there. You can use my link down below, and you can copy the best traders on the platform. It's a great way to get started with leverage trading or take your leverage trading game to the next level. Keep in mind, before you start leverage trading, make sure you have a full understanding of what you're getting yourself into. You can trade some of the top cryptos like BNB, Bitcoin up to 100x leverage, guys. This might be an interesting time to check it out because you could go and make a nice play on Bitcoin here if you believe it's going to have a certain price movement here. So if you are a leverage trader, definitely check out Margex. They've got copy trading, just a great overall platform. I've had a whale trade millions of dollars of Caspa recently, so definitely give that a look. And I've been making some plays here too. You can see I got a bunch of Caspa over 21,000, basically 22,000 here. Got some Tether in here too, a little bit of Bitcoin. Just been making some small plays here over on Margex. Links down below if you're interested in that. Appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Leave me a comment down below after you hit the like button and subscribe and ring the notification bell. I want to hear your thoughts on where you think the state of the union is on SHIB and the rest of this altcoin market and the crypto market in general. Always love hearing from you guys. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.